Hey guys, I'm Daniel of Pinoy Techno Guide, and in this video, we're going to test the gaming performance of the OPPo R17 Pro smartphone. It's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 chipset, which raised doubts over its capability to run resource-intensive 3D games. Let's see if these fears are real or totally miscalculated. Our first game is Mobile Legends. I've set the graphics to high and turned on other features such as character frame and fog effect. As you can see, the OPPo R17 Pro runs the game with virtually no stutter, even in busy scenes. It has more than enough processing power for this type of games.
Time to shine. Legendary double kill. Ha, ha. Triple kill. Maniac.
Next is the racing game Asphalt 8 Airborne. Once again, I've set the graphics setting to the highest option but disabled the music to avoid copyright hits. The OPPo R17 Pro also runs this game smoothly even when those particles and lens effects show up. I would have liked to test the newer Asphalt 9 Legends, but it's still not compatible with this phone. The third game is Marvel Future Fight. This is not a very resource-intensive game, but I've seen some smartphones struggle with its abundant 3D transitions. Still, the OPPo R17 Pro has no problem running the game. It's smooth and very responsive. Perhaps the next game can give the OPPo R17 Pro a challenge. We're now playing Rules of Survival. I've set the graphics to the highest option and enabled the high FPS mode. The game's performance can be considered smooth, but with occasional stutters when a lot of players are in the vicinity. This can be considered inherent to the game, but I would probably switch the graphics one step down when the phone starts to heat up after a couple of hours of playing. Lastly, we're testing the performance of PUBG Mobile on the OPPo R17 Pro. It's similar to the previous game but has slightly higher system requirements. The game automatically sets the graphics to high and the performance is generally smooth. However, stutters and frame drops occur more often compared to the previous game. It's very playable, but I would switch the graphics setting to medium if I'm playing competitively, and winning is a must. In conclusion, the OPPo R17 Pro runs most games smoothly. Its Snapdragon 710 chipset actually has an impressive performance comparable to the early Snapdragon 800 series, but with lesser power consumption, a modern LTE radio, and built-in AI features. It only shows occasional stutters in games such as PUBG Mobile and Rules of Survival. It doesn't have the gaming prowess of Snapdragon 845 powered smartphones, but it's enough for non-hardcore gamers who give more importance to other features, especially nighttime photography and ultra-fast battery charging. Let me know about your thoughts on the OPPo R17 Pro smartphone in the comments.